Welcome to the introduction of slidemovie. Today, I will explain the purpose of this program and how it can revolutionize the way you create presentation videos. Creating professional presentation videos is often a struggle. You usually have to record your own voice, which can be intimidating and requires a quiet environment. Then comes the hours of video editing to manually synchronize your slides. Furthermore, if you need to change just one sentence later, you often have to start the whole process over. slidemovie is the solution to these problems. It is a powerful tool that automates video production by combining the structural simplicity of Markdown text, the design capabilities of Microsoft PowerPoint, and the power of artificial intelligence. With this program, you do not need complex video editing software or expensive recording equipment. The workflow is incredibly simple. First, you write your content in a standard text file using Markdown. In this single file, you define exactly what appears on the slide and write the script that the narrator will read aloud.
Next, the program converts your text into a draft PowerPoint file. You can then open this file and use PowerPoint's built-in AI designer to apply professional layouts and visuals instantly. This gives you full creative control over the look of your presentation without having to design from scratch.
Finally, you run a single command to build the video. The program uses advanced AI to generate natural-sounding voiceovers from your script. It then automatically stitches the audio and slide images together, handling all the timing and synchronization for you.
One of the biggest advantages is that you can treat your videos like code. If you need to update a slide, you simply edit the text file and rebuild. The program is smart enough to only regenerate the parts that changed, saving you massive amounts of time compared to traditional video editing.
If you are ready to streamline your video production process and create professional content with ease, please visit the official project website at the URL shown on the screen. Thank you for watching.